Madam Speaker, on quorum. Point of order. Point of order, Madam Speaker. Give me the mic. Give me the mic.
Honorable members, I have a point of order from the Honorable Kagusha.
Madam Speaker, I stand on standing order number 35, and I realize we do not have quorum to conduct any business in this house. So, Madam Speaker, I beg that we suspend this debate since we have no quorum in this house. Put the question, Madam Speaker. Put the question, Madam Speaker.
Honorable members, clearly we have no quorum, and I order that the bell be rung for 10 minutes, honorable members.